Hello friends, I'm very excited to share with you today one of my favorite products from Young Living, which is the Thieves Cleaner. The Thieves is a whole line of different kind of ways to clean your house, ways to clean your food, your dishes, your laundry, but I want to definitely go into detail about the Thieves Cleaner because this is my favorite. It's the best way to get green, to remove toxins and chemicals out of your household. A lot of the cleaners that we clean with in the American society, we have so many chemicals and toxins and fragrances and things that are horrible for your health. So I just wanted to share a little bit about this cleaner with you guys. It's 100% plant-based, and it definitely does way better of a job cleaning than any of the other products that have all those chemicals and toxins in them. And then I know that I'm doing the best for my family. So in this bottle, you have about 30 to 40 bottles that you can make. This is a highly concentrated cleaner. So what you want to do is fill about this much of this bottle with water, and then you put about one or two capfuls of the Thieves Cleaner into your bottle. So you just pour it right in, shake it up, and you're ready to go. You can add other oils in there if you want more of a scent. I love to have a citrus fresh little boost in there. It doesn't make the kind of cleaning any different. It still cleans really well. It doesn't stain your carpet or your furniture. You can clean any surface with this. It's great for wood, glass, granite, like I mentioned, carpet, furniture. People have even cleaned their clothes with it. You can put it as a boost into your laundry, but I also do love the Thieves laundry soap. This one also is super concentrated, so you only need maybe half of this capful for your laundry for a full load, and it just really purifies your clothes. It makes your clothes so much more fresh and just have a more natural feel to them rather than bogging them down with chemicals and fragrance that just makes your skin not healthy and your body not healthy. Anything that touches your skin, any chemicals or toxins can go right into your bloodstream within seconds. So your laundry soap really does have a huge impact on your health. And then we also have the dish soap and the dishwasher detergent, and then the fruit and veggie soap, which is awesome stuff. We'll also post another video about the fruit and veggie soap, and once I get that up, I'll link it. So you can see how well that cleans your fruits and veggies. And then also back here, we have our diffuser going with our Thieves oil. This one will purify the air. So Thieves is just a really good line to purify and clean the natural way, and then take out all those germs, all the bacteria, and just live healthier. So thank you guys for joining in and watching, and if you guys have any questions about this, let me know, and I'm happy to help you.